Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and hide followers and following on Facebook from your public. But before that, please to make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, what you're gonna do is simply go ahead and open your Facebook app right over there. Open it up, and then what you're gonna do once your app is open, simply go ahead, tap on your profile icon given on top right corner. Now let's go ahead, tap on this settings gear icon given above. If you tap on that, you will be able to get to this kind of interface. So what you're gonna do, you can simply go ahead, tap on this go to this audience and visibility section, tap on this how people can find and contact you. If you go there, you can see this who can see or who can look up using the emoji, who can see your friend list and who can see into your friend list. Go ahead, tap on this who can see your friend list option, and now go ahead, as you can see this here, it's turned to only me. That's what you gotta do as well. If it's by default they're in public, and simply turn this only me, and that means only you will be able to see your followers, and who is following you, nobody else will. If you do that, you will go good to go, and then you can go ahead, tap on this who can send you a friend request as well, or kind of who can follow you. So if you do that, go ahead, you only will find these two options, everyone and friends of friends. Go ahead, turn this friends of friends. If you do not want everyone to have access of it, you will be able to do it right over there. So yes guys, these are the two settings that you can go ahead and look for it if you want to hide your following and followers. And yeah, this is it. I hope this video was helpful. If you got more concerns, to leave them in the comments below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.